Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be reviewing Feature Points. Feature Points is an app that pays you to download other apps. So let's get into it. So basically, Feature Points, you get points for downloading apps after they credit you. Every 600 points is $1. Let's go to the rewards section. And they willing to pay you in Pokemon Go, FIFA, iTunes, Amazon, PayPal. Usually Amazon, PayPal is where everybody like, okay, so those rewards are good enough for me because everybody like cash. And actually the PayPal is worldwide, so all you people that are from different countries that there's not a lot of phone farming options, you might want to try to build maybe like a download farm. I might try to do that. There will be a video out on that when I get around to it. So, y'all don't think I'm crazy. Let's go to payment proof because most people like, hey, how do I know this works? So let's go here. I did this in my first day because basically I made this video so I wouldn't go like 2 weeks without making videos. So I got on Feature Points. It only took me about a day. You will not get $3 every day. Like after the first day, it gets a little bit slower. Actually, it gets a lot slower. It's like 50 cents. If you do this with more than one device, and you are allowed to do it with more than one device of a different kind, like if you have an iPad gets different offers than the regular phone does, and Android might get a little different offers than the both of those. Um, I'm going to give you some tips on how to get these things to credit because that's basically what bothers people the most about these type of apps. So let's get into it. So basically your average app pays about anywhere from 50 to like 100 points. So you do the math on that, you probably going to have to download 10 to 12 apps to get your dollar. That usually takes about 30 minutes. For the channel apps, you don't really have to do anything like Stars and Encore and Disney Channel, those apps. If you have to do anything, you just open them and let them sit. Those sign up apps, you typically would have to share it on Facebook. Um, Game apps, you would do the tutorial and you would let it sit. I do advise that, what was it? I do advise that you what is it called? Oh, the notification. I do advise you leave the notification center on for this app so when it finally credits you, it'll notify you and you're not just sitting there waiting for it to credit and going back and forth. So I do advise you leave the notification on for Feature Points because they will tell you when they have credit you and you can come on back and make some more money. I think that's about it for credit. If you guys would like to help out the channel, I'll leave my referral link down below. I do get compensation for it, but I am willing to work for it. And if any of my referrals need personal help, one-on-one help, I'm willing to give it to you. Just refer to me. When you have a problem, tell me that you want my referrals, and I will try to help you out. So yeah, you guys, that is Feature Points. Enjoy making money. More download apps to come because I've noticed I have not did any download apps on my channel. So that will come later. I'm still waiting for payout for other apps. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this video and peace. Bye guys.